The rod was like, hello, piston!
Well, that was weird. Wait, where the hell am I?
My sedan. I'm afraid I cannot permit you to pass these white pearly gates.
Hold up, you're trying to tell me that the Toyota God is a Land Cruiser?
You see, my sedan, you didn't make it as long as these other Toyotas did. So what makes you think you are worthy of coming to Toyota heaven?
Well, first of all, I'm a Lexus, but
You didn't make it past the 200,000 mile mark. Therefore, I will have to tell you to go elsewhere.
okay, look, it's not my fault. No, wait, hold on. No, my transmission started to slip.
Us Toyotas are perfect, and you know that we can live a very long life. I am tired of hearing you. Hilux,
Wait.
bump this ES350 to the banish lands for me.
Oh.
Wake up. I said, wake up. Wake up, you piece of garbage. Wake up.
Oh, crap, I thought I died for a second. I thought I went to hell.
You are dead, and you are in hell.
Ah, fuck.
Look, before you decide to hit that dislike button, hold up. This video isn't going to be bashing on Toyotas or anything like that. So we just pretty much filmed us replacing a Lexus motor or this 3500 Toyota engine inside this Lexus ES350. Now, welcome to the channel. My name is Nick. This is Mechanic Built. And if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing because here we just have everything automotive related and we just have fun with cars. This Lexus was actually the shop owner's Lexus that just kind of sat around, and Jared actually asked me to see if I could help. Jared just asked me if we could just vlog it, and I said, yeah, I'm kind of actually down. So, you know, the reason why I'm saying don't bash on this video because I actually have some people when I was talking and criticizing the new Toyota Tundra, I had about a 60-40%, 40% of it being disliked, 60% of it being liked on this channel. Now, the whole purpose of this wasn't to, like I said, wasn't to bash on Toyota whatsoever. So the thing is, it's just like, if you haven't realized by now on this channel, every single car is shit. And if you think you have the latest and greatest, most bestest, whatever, that may be true. But, you know, here, everything dies eventually in this world, and that includes Toyota. So in this video, it's just us messing around, having some fun, putting a Toyota, or I should say Lexus ES350 back together. Recording! How did you break a Toyota? Okay, I'm not even gonna ask that, but what are we doing?
Well, we're just doing a little extra work today. We're doing a vlog because we're not trying to make a series out of everything. This is just some shit the mechanics have to do
On a Saturday,
on a Saturday.
and it's like 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we're trying to get this in somehow. Maybe not today, but sometime today.
Progress. Any progress at any point. You don't have to do it all in one shot. You just gotta actually get your ass out there and doing it. Cuss words over.
So we have to completely dismantle this thing.
We're separating the engine and trans and lowering the subframe.
So we're gonna start off with the wire harness. Let me go get some gloves.
First thing we should probably take off is the manifolds. This is the good harness, so we gotta be careful with it. And the power steering system's gonna have to come off. That's just fun. And of course, nice. Toyota had to make it a hard line, so therefore, make it even more fun. You're gonna have to take off the banjo fitting, and then it's gonna cause a leak. But it already leaks, because every banjo fitting leaks. Except for brake systems. That's like the only banjo system like they ever got right. But every fucking power steering, they are always leaking.
Still working on the gloves.
You know what? This one doesn't really look like a penis. I mean, it does half of it, but it kind of looks like a double-sided dick.
Okay.
So I said, this is vlog style. We ain't doing anything fancy. It's time to let the fucking cuss words fly and whatever footage we can use, we can use. Cuss words over. This ain't the high class. This is trashy, not classy. All right. Apparently, I did already start stripping this because I'm finding a lot of things that are already undone. I must have started working on this and then life happened.
Toyota. Let's go places. Like the shop. How about if I just
Here. I want you to try the gun.
Yeah. I am the gun. Okay, that didn't work.
Shit, you dumbass.
So, ladies and gentlemen, when your valve
Shut up,
mates
Nick.
with your
Just.
piston, bad things happen.
Do they make icon fucking needle noses?
Ratcheting needle noses?
Ratcheting needle noses? No,
That's what I thought I heard.
The tips are just wearing out and they're not really good anymore.
Got anything for the oil just in case?
Look at you being all fucking logical and shit. That's not how we do shit, alright?
Well.
Well, the problem is with Toyota, it's like, yeah, reliability in the engine, but let's make every fucking plastic connector so fucking fragile that if you look at it wrong, it breaks. But that's why Toyota's like, we make the best engine. We make it so you don't have to touch your stuff. Because if you do, it's gonna make you lots of headaches.
See, like, I talked smack about one Toyota truck, worried about the engine, and here I am, working on a Toyota engine.
Like,
Funny
they
how
don't
that works
die.
out.
Like
I
their
mean-
cars, they all fucking die. And everything has mice damage up here. Just to let everyone know in general, if you buy any used car from anywhere, it's gonna have mice damage.
And the whole thing's moving,
Yeah, so it doesn't need to come out.
so it doesn't need to?
It doesn't need to come out then.
Okay. If it doesn't want to, then it doesn't need to, right?
Exactly.
All right.
We need to shorten it.
Yep, that much I do know. Go ahead, up. Oh yeah, perfect, look at me, I know change. Okay. I don't like that, I'm walking away.
Pussy.
Okay, are we gonna unbolt it or are we gonna just have it tight?
What?
Oh. Look at that.
The masterpiece of sketching this.
Yes. Yes, it is. And we're filming this.
Do not get under it.
Yes. All right, can we lower it?
For what?
Take it off that.
I need to get the...
No. Just take off that top one. Take off this top
If
one.
we're gonna do that, I shouldn't have pulled that out. God damn it. That actually worked. Alright, so now this chain has to come off. We gotta hang it by these two, and then we gotta pull this off separate and pull with the engine hoist or something. Oh, that thing's heavier than it looks. We're losing all the motor mounts. Use a ratcheting wrench. It's the only way to do this. On some, like a lot of front wheel drives are like this. Pisses me off. They put these weird ass random bolts right here that are hard to get to. I mean, this one I probably could use a swivel, but that one down there you definitely can't. Alright, I'm gonna lower it down. You already got the gun in your hand, so you might as well zip it off. What were you trying to jam this? Are you trying to jam it right there? 'Cause that ain't working. Progress!
Progress.
Now we need to figure out how to get that engine on this trans.
Well, the question is, how are we gonna get the torque converter off? It's a brand new one.
Let's get it up in the air and figure this shit out. God damn, I didn't think about that. I don't think Brian's even thought that part of that through.
How are we doing this?
That is a good question.
Yeah. Brandon's making new. It's even.
It is brand spanking and he just rebuilt that tranny.
Yeah, it's painted forward blue.
Alright, well,
Zippy zip, unzip.
let's move this tranny out of the way.
true.
Just drag it out of the way
Well,
a little bit.
I could drag it. You want to start grabbing a 10 and a 12 to start taking that? Actually, double.
It's probably just a 10.
Well, the
That's
oil.
12.
Hey,
Make sure
like
there's
you
no
said,
oil in it.
make sure there's no oil in it. Yes.
I don't think there is.
You don't happen to have a furniture dolly?
Actually, yeah. That's exactly what we use it for.
Yeah.
It's blue and it's somewhere. Probably somewhere over there. Nick, don't do it.
Lifting with my legs, damn it!
That doesn't matter.
Grab legs. Grab legs. All right, it's done. Is that good enough?
I really don't want to. Shut the fuck up. All right. After you're like, look, legs, and then you're like, oh, whoa. What was that feeling?
My thigh. My thigh's burning right now.
All right, grab that pan again. Over here. Zoom, zoom, zoom! Yes, I emptied it already.
Okay.
There's probably still going to be some oil in it, but it's empty.
All right. Need a 10 impact.
10 or a 12.
Oil pan should be 10.
Here, take all these tools and take them off the
Yes,
chair.
I will. I am the magnet tray.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad he came by. Like we turned the top end apart and the bottom end. Oh, he just solved it. We turned the bottom end apart. Top end is not the problem.
Yeah.
I'm kind of curious now. I can't wait to see that bent rod. I would actually be amazed about that, to be honest with you. Because like, I thought it was something with the timing.
A bent rod on a Toyota? Never.
Catch my pan. And there is oil in there. Hey, there's metal in there.
You missed a fucking nut. I got it. Ew, you loosened it though.
Ooh, that's piston.
Oh. Hello.
Yeah, that's a piston. That's a ring. Go show that to the camera.
That is, I don't know if you guys can see that.
That is definitely a piston.
Oh, look, it says Aeson on it. Yeah,
I know,
it's a
that's
piston.
what I said. It's a fucking piston.
It's a piston.
Put it on the ground there. I'm pretty sure
No, it's piston because it says Aeson
I mean,
on
this
another
is a
one.
piston.
That's a piston ring, yes.
When it was sitting outside for so long, maybe it rusted inside the block.
Toyota's rusting? No.
People always wonder how mechanics end up with all these extra bolts. I'm like, this is how. Motor go boom. There's a piece of block missing right here. What the f?
So we gotta take this block to rebuild. Nope, I'm taking the piston. That is my fee for my labor. It's a souvenir. I mean, I low-key
I thought the
kinda-
revenue from the video was going to be your payment.
You never know, this might blow up, it might just... Hey, hi 10 people that are watching this video. You guys are the true fans. Now, if you made it this far, definitely hit the subscribe button. Look at Jared. He's making content for you guys. Yeah, Jared, make that content.
Make it. Make the content. Yeah.
Work. All right, Jeremy Clarkson, this bitch.
That's what I was thinking. But someone's got to catch the torque converter.
Dude, we still... The piston and the
Into
connecting...
the crank.
the end caps.
end caps are bolted into the crank or into the block.
Yes.
But you want to Clarkson it? Go for it. Just don't break it off in my face. At least I
Well, hold that.
no. They wanted that to happen.
You wanted that to happen?
That noise means you're doing
that
it
was
wrong,
a-
Nick.
Nope, nope.
Here's more piston.
It's a piston.
Which piston? He said the rod was bent. I think he's talking out his ass. I don't see. Oh, there's an imprint. There's a valve imprint, but that's old. That might be casting. No, that might be a valve imprint. Man, that piston just exploded.
Hey, that chunk was holding it in. We could get to the bolts. Yes. Oh, Jesus, you scared me.
Yeah, let's see if we can grab more piston out before we try and do that.
You see more piston?
I can't really see inside of here, really. I don't want to get oil in my eye.
Okay, try to spin it.
Yeah.
You hear that?
All right, go.
Okay.
All right, get it off.
Want your wrench?
You stay there.
Yeah, you tell it. All right, since we're this far, you want to drop the crank anyways?
Can't. Oh.
No, because
Yes, I do actually. I want to see. I want to see. We won't be able to get the pistons out.
Yeah, we can.
All right.
Oh wait, oh the piston out? No, the broken one though.
Yeah, we can get the crank out. Oh, then after we get the crank out, then we can pull the pistons out. Yeah, that was just for our own fun.
All right, now I need a
Hopefully they
10.
didn't need those bolts.
Huh?
Hopefully they didn't need those bolts. Let me see. Is there a flywheel on this one? Okay, we're good.
You mean flex plate?
You know what? F***er?
Wait.
You're not round. All right. You and your proper terminology.
Send it.
It's not like we give a shit about this motor.
Oh my god, this thing has not seen good oil. That's a
Dude.
lot of No, that's a lot of carbon. That's yes. This is the Toyota. This is the Lexus where someone's, I drive a Lexus. I don't need to do an oil change because it's a Lexus. Do you have a personal vendetta against Dowels?
Yes, they never want to cooperate and go in transmissions like I want them to. You, Dow. You. You. Why didn't you come to my school? Why didn't you come to my parent teacher?
You're the reason why mom and dad doesn't love each other anymore. Damn, Jared, like chill.
You're the reason why mom never loved daddy. All right.
Are we done now?
Yes. Yeah.
There's actual scratches saying that it broke off like that.
Yeah, because it broke like that. Because there's no damage to the head. Like, there really isn't. Like,
Yeah.
There's a little damage.
Look.
Like, a piston can't explode inside a cylinder and not leave sun
You
damage.
guys want to see,
But-
look at the nicks on that wrist pin. That wrist pin is really nicked.
Give me my magnet.
I can't, dude, it's so nicked. I can only go out one
I
way.
know. I get it. Give me my magnet.
Magnet? It's like you said, it probably got caught up because all this carbon.
It did, and then it just jammed it right through this. The rod was like, hello, piston!
Because the engine sat, so the carbon just became a good contact sticking point.
And apparently it was back there for a month. Yeah, see, they're all bent in the same way.
This engine was back outside for months.
It was on that one. It was in the other bay.
So
Yeah, see, they're all bent in the exact same way. We didn't get more done, but we did figure out what the failure point was.
all right, I guess that does it for today.